We know that Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein, and many others, through their studies, managed to discover and understand that everything is composed of energy, and through manipulating these subtle energetic forces, we could transform ourselves and everything around us. Among these great minds was a man who wanted to use these forces of nature to cure all diseases and increase the general health and longevity of humanity to a whole new level. His name was Dr. Royal Raymond Rife, a scientist who not only built the first microscope to ever see a living virus or bacteria, but also cured 14 of the 16 cancer patients he treated in just a couple of months, using only the power of frequency and vibration. Rife's microscope not only could see the viruses, but it also saw the colors they emitted, and whenever viewing a specific color, Rife would be able to specify or approximate the resonant frequency of the object being observed, just like viewing the aura of a human and determining his or her resonant frequency by it. Now that Rife was able to detect and specify all these viruses responsible for some of the most horrible diseases, there was only one thing he needed to figure out, and that was how to destroy them and cure people. Owing to Nikola Tesla's studies, men of science had known of the connection of electrical, magnetic, and radio frequencies with the operation of the human body. So Rife turned to electromagnetic frequencies. He discovered that each microbe and each virus had a particular frequency to which it was vulnerable. Rife called this the mortal oscillatory rate, a term still used to this day. After his discoveries, Rife would try out the removal of specific bacteria, viruses, and tumors from rats through the use of this electromagnetic frequency. His experiments were an amazing success, after which he tried this healing method on humans and was also successful. After this release in November 1931, Dr. Milbank Johnson invited 44 physicians to honor Rife's work and declared the end of all disease. During 1934, a group of physicians led by Dr. Milbank Johnson of Pasadena, California, in an experiment that was sponsored by the University of California, brought 16 patients with cancer from a hospital in San Diego and placed them in apartments where they were observed and treated by the electromagnetic frequencies recommended by Dr. Royal Rife. In just 3 months, 14 of the 16 patients were declared free of any cancer at that time. The other 2 required an additional month of treatment to be completely cured. After this monumental success, Dr. Royal Rife made the following statement. With the frequency instrument treatment, no tissue is destroyed, no pain is felt, no noise is audible, and no sensation is noticed. A tube lights up, and 3 minutes later the treatment is completed. The virus or bacteria is destroyed, and the body then recovers itself naturally from the toxic effect of the virus or bacteria. Several diseases may be treated simultaneously.